quieres a las tatapanan din mag-go.
Bakit may pagbubulong, Stel? Ano? Ay, shalom! Oh! What's up, everyone? It's me, your Truly Tree John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Mega love shoutout mga ka-18! Yes! Nako, ito na nga. Si Stel ay may bagong single, his first solo single entitled Room. Oh my God, I'm so excited for this. But this is the first time na ipe-perform niya to in national TV sa All Out Sundays. Naku, after nga nito, syempre, mag-react din tayo sa official music video dahil na-release na rin ito. Naku, exciting ito. Dahil alam naman natin na tayo ay nasa Strawberry Farm. Dahil si Stel ang ating ultimate bias sa SB19. Alam na alam niyo yan mga ka-18 dahil you've been with me since the first time na nag-react tayo sa SB19. At ngayon nga may kanya-kanya silang mga solo, and this is the time na ngayon lang nag-release si Stel ng kanyang solo music. Kaya naman dapat isupport natin tong lahat dahil naku, ibang vocals ito si Stel. At syempre, hindi ko pa alam kung anong klaseng kanta itong Room na to. Hindi natin alam kung dance ba ito or love song or baka sexy kasi sa loob ng kwarto. Ano kayong gagawin natin sa loob ng kwarto, Stel? Charis. Kaya naman excited na ako makita ang kanyang performance sa All Out Sundays. But before proceed, guys, kung bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go ito na. Ay! Pa-dance. Oh my God. May scaffolding. Sana room setup, no? Hey!
As soon as I step out and try to make myself alive, I see your eyes, they couldn't mind.
Live ba to?
Happens all the time.
Upbeat.
And you tell me I can get
Look
you
at her
on my
eyes.
mind, my mind.
Kano quieres a las tatapanan din mag-go.
Bakit may pagbubulong, Stel? Ano yun? Charis! Oh my God! Ang sarap ni Stel. Balikan nga natin. Ba't may pagbulong at ang sexy eyes? Alam mo yung titig? Iba. Ang ibang titig ni Stel.
My mind.
Kano quieres a las tatapanan din mag-go.
Hope you're ready, cause I'm gonna invade.
Oh, sino tong girl na to?
What I'm about to say.
Oh my God, grabe naman ang stiff na yun. Uy, Stel, grabe. Grabe talaga. Oh my God, excited ako sa music video.
Listen to what I'm about to say.
Ibang liyad, iba lumiyad si Stel.
Find the answer. This energy that's within me might be too much to take. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me.
Ay, naku, grabe tong babaeng to, ha?
Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I am to break it free, but if it's wrong, it's not
Eh.
Can you read the room?
Oh my gosh.
Can you read the room?
Oh. Oh, wait guys. I just want to appreciate the hotness. Oo, nung performance at nung yung music, yung beat, upbeat siya pero andun yung sultriness and sexiness and the way that Stel is singing it. Oh my gosh. Plus the moves. Kagigil to si Stel eh.
Can you read the room?
Hey! Para siyang Michael Jackson.
Break it to you, but if it's wrong, there's no one left. And now you've tried one other kind. It's okay if you cry, but I see you smile, but I sent you way too high. Hope you come alive.
Oh my God, nakakarami na talaga yung babaeng yun ha. Charis. Siya atay nakikita ko sa Facebook na ano. Pero bawal magselos guys. Let's just appreciate. Kasi sobrang galing. Ang ganda. Naku, excited talaga ako sa music video. Sana lahat hinahawakan sa ulo.
We don't
Hey.
need that, let time slow it down.
Ooh, ibang
The fact
gumiling
that
si
now
Steph.
we're face to face is the only
Napaka-sultry. Oh, tignan mo naman reaction ng mga ka-18 natin. Nakapapatakip din sila ng bibig. Mm. Oh,
answer.
alalala.
This energy that's within me will never let you go. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't
Oh,
wanna
ay.
savor every bit of it, 'cause we're not
Bakit may pagganyan to mga babaeng to? Sarap sa bunutan. Sana ako din yung isa sa kanila. Sarap.
in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this perfect so one like that.
Mm.
Dance.
Ay. Oh my God, may lap dance, guys. Ano to? Grabe naman pala talaga. At in fairness, no, sino-showcase pa rin ni Stel yung vocals niya kahit na upbeat ang music. Pero bakit may pasayaw? Nagsiselos na talaga ako.
Dance.
Eh, akala ko sasayawan siya ng baba. Ay, shalom! Ow! Grabe yun! Parang sana ako nila upuan. Balikan natin. Iba gumiling si Stel. Uy! Oh, kabog! Sing and dance. Total performer.
Baby, don't you
Oh my
worry.
God.
As long as you're here with me, you
Alalala.
won't take no hurt, 'cause I won't be your sanctuary. If you'd only let me. Orchestrate
Grabe ang
this
hot.
story, we won't have to let this go. Sign every day.
Kayo, wait lang. Grabe yun. The vocals. Upbeat to pero kita nyo naman ang range ng ating style. I love it. Let's go back to that.
Orchestrate this story, we won't have to let this go. Sign every day.
Hey! Woo! Ibang kaldag ni Stel.
Read the room.
Oh my God!
Kanya?
Alam mo, may Michael Jackson vibe yung dating.
This world is no one like that.
Oh! Oh my God! There you have it, guys. That is Stel ng SB19 for his performance of Room. Oh my God, sa All Out Sundays. Grabe na bigla ako. Sobrang hot. I'm so excited for the music video kasi kung ganito ka-hot yung performance on stage, paano pa kaya ang music video? Shucks, may pa-lap dance, guys. At iba ang mga kaldag ni Stella. At medyo sarap sa bunutan ni girl. Charis. Ay, nako. Iba yung hotness. At I love the beat of the song. I love the lyrics. Very sultry, sensual, sexy. Bagay na bagay kay Stella. And the way he looks at the camera. Plus yung mga kaldag. Naku, excited na talaga ako for the music video. Kaya samahan nyo rin ako sa music video, guys. At syempre, kung nag-enjoy kayo dito, you can comment down below kung kaparehas ba ng sa music video ang dating. Yan ang ating alamin mamaya sa aking next reaction for the music video ng first solo music ni Stel. Ay nako. At don't forget to like our video for today and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Kaya naman, thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you on my next one. Bye for now!
You,